Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you this coppery makeup look. So first, I sprayed this face mist from Elianto to moisturize my face. Then I used the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, code 128 Warm Nude. I just use my fingers to blend the foundation to my face because I think as long as your fingers clean, so why not, right? Make sure you blend all the foundation properly. After that, I moisturize my lips with Lip Ice Tinted Lip Balm. To set my face, I use the Revlon Nude Complexion Loose Powder in Translucent. Then I draw my eyebrows with SilkyGirl Precision Brow Liner Pen. To me, the most difficult thing in doing makeup is the brows. So make sure the brows is as good as you like. But you know, practice make perfect. I used to draw my eyebrows like apa? Kagemaru, Kagemaru. But now it's okay. So practice make perfect, okay? After that, I brush my eyebrows using the spoolie of the SilkyGirl Expert Brow Slim Liner. And then I set my brows using Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. Oh my god, so long! After you're happy with your brows, then we're moving to the eyes. I use MORPHE 350 eyeshadow palette. I used number 28 and 18 chocolate shades for the crease area. Make sure to blend it perfectly. You don't want any harsh line. And then I use number 35, a shimmery copper shade for the whole eyes except for the crease. I use my finger to apply this eyeshadow because it works better than using a brush. After that, I use number 31, a dark chocolate shade for below and outer corner of my eyes. Once you're happy with your eyes, we move to nose. I use number 28 to contour my nose. Make sure to blend properly. We don't want any harsh line because you're gonna look crazy if it's too harsh, you know. And also, just follow the line of your nose naturally. For the cheek, I use Elianto Mono Blusher in the shade 610 Blossom Pink. Oh my god, this blusher I really recommend for those who are looking for affordable blusher but very good quality. This is the blusher that you need because it's very good. For the lashes, I use Essence the False Lashes Mascara, Extreme Volume and Curl. Oh my god, I cannot recommend enough to you guys. Essence mascara are the best. This is just one of the mascara that I absolutely love. For the lips, I use SilkyGirl Moisture Smooth Lipstick. I don't remember what shade because this video was recorded a long time ago, 2018. For extra shine, I use Essence Shine 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 Lip Gloss. FYI, I recorded this video using my phone, so it doesn't really do as much justice. In real life, it looks a bit more vibrant. Okay, it's done! Coppery makeup look. It's quite easy. I think everyone can do it. So, bye! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.